I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Jerry.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad.
No, I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed.
Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
What the hell we gonna do now?
I'm a bad bitch. I'm a bad bitch. I'm a bad bitch.
Who are you?
Nicki Minaj, bitch. You already know.
You ready to fucking die?
Look, yeah, I'm a bad bitch. You can't kill me.
I hate doing shit and not perfecting it. Can you guys hear me good? Big boobs. What? Child. Anyway, so.
Okay, and what do you want me to do about that?
I hate to say it. I hope I don't sound ridiculous. I don't know who this man is. I mean, he could be walking down the street. I wouldn't know a thing. Sorry to this man.
What would you do if when you okay, so he said yes would go?
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Be shy, put some more. Put some more. Come on, don't be shy, put some more.
Huh? What? Oh. Okay.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.